paper going? Perfect.
Is it good on the angle?
Yeah, the angle's fine.
Through a hammer.
And then we'll need a mallet.
The orange one.
What's it doing?
Yeah.
Okay, that should be good. We'll see what happens.
And then we'll dig the other one deeper.
Okay, so now grab the tubing.
And I got this one.
Yeah, is it okay if it's on an angle?
Huh?
Is it okay if it's on
Because
an
it'll
angle?
flip.
Yeah, you probably want to try to get it a little bit.
No, let me try first.
Oh.
Let me...
It's gonna be really hard. And we'll cut it.
So give it a little bit of slack. Cut it right in between.
Well, it also has to be straight. So we want it right.
Give it a little more. Okay. Mike, you want to do
And
this part?
Shove it in there. Shove it in as far. Oh.
We already were getting some.
Yeah, it was dripping while we were trying to get
Really?
it. Yeah.
Wait, here. Yeah.
So for now, let's try to just see. We'll come back out and check them. And see what's happening with it, okay?
Okay.
Oh, look at all the ants. Links back up for me because I should be in this one. I need somebody to
Never mind.
help with this one.
I'll help him.
Go back. Hey, Lincoln, can you
It's a
put
lot
the
of flies.
Lincoln, can you put the brake on?
Put that one on.
You put the brake on? No.
So far, we got a lot of sap. We've got, I don't know, like 2 quarts about. So we say that's pretty good, but we've never done this before. So okay, so we decided to dump it into the bigger one so that we have more room for more sap. It's a lot of sap. It's crazy. Okay, so we boiled it down a decent amount. So forgot to show you, but we got a brand new burner the day before. But yeah, so this is a brand new burner. And the other one, the regulator right there, was bad. But yeah, this one, the flame on the old one, it was just waving like all red, but we looked it up and it's supposed to be blue and then a little bit orange and red on top. It was up to like right there. So, well, you can kind of see it right below the 3/4 mark, if you can see that. But it's boiled down nicely. The ratio is 40-1, so 40 gallons of sap gives you 1 gallon of syrup. Probably get a pint from that, something like that. But we'll see you probably when it's done. It's a cool process, and you get to taste it, which is the best part. Don't forget to check out this book. It is the best book that we've read so far that tells us how to collect and cook down maple syrup, sap. We got it from our local library. We'll put a link in the description where you can find it, or go find it at your local library. Okay, so we got the finished product here. It is very, very syrupy. So we got some coffee filters, and now we are going to pour it in, not too fast. We got wide mouth jars. They work the best. Okay, so this is our third time actually doing this. Last time we used cheesecloth, just like doubled it. This time we're doing coffee filters. We have 2, but I think we're gonna just do 1 because it's going very, very slowly. And we don't really need it that slow. So
Can you pick up one coffee filter? Or
yeah.
Whoop, nope. Nope, keep that down. Oh, we just spilt the love. Hold on. How about you get a new coffee filter if that's what we're gonna do? Put it on that guy if that's what you want to try to do.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we've had a few mishaps. Coffee filter didn't work. We're going back to the cheesecloth. We doubled up our cheesecloth, so that worked last time the best. So
You're good. Keep going. I'll tell you.
there's still a lot.
Oh. Go probably the rest. That is. You might want to pull that.
I think we'll be okay once I pull it. It's gonna be tight though. What are we doing?
We are reboiling. We're making the first batch thicker because the first batch was pretty thin and it's very sweet. And we want it thicker. So we're gonna put the rest in and then we're gonna boil it back.
Because we're learning as we go, and this batch, which is only our third time doing it this year, has been very successful.
Yes.
We did burn a batch, by the way. That was a batch.
I burned a batch. Yes. Yes, I did. Thanks for joining us on this sticky adventure. Hope to see you next time on Roll Adventure. See ya!